So we're going into Harbor Social. Oh, it's a bowling alley. Harbor Social. You mean
She cheated. Tell me I made it.
wait, not say keep going.
I overjoyed.
Right here.
Look, they got something here too. Sorry. Sorry, Nazi.
This how we roll.
Oh, hang on. Come on, hey, love. Now.
Y'all look at the camera. Good morning, y'all. I am on my way to go meet everybody for breakfast since they decided to leave. I was tired. Look, I had a long night. But good morning. I had to do a little wet and go today because I did not feel like blowing my hair up yesterday. So guess I found out how to get down there in a minute. I guess I should have went the back way. Yeah, they're at this restaurant, Succotash, across the street. Look at the Ferris wheel. So I was told that they have jet skis down here now that you can rent. I want to see if I can see them from right here. I don't see no jet skis. Y'all see any jet skis? Maybe I'm missing something. I see a nice little yacht though. They go to water taxi. That is the water taxi. It take you from here to Alexandria and also to the wharf. The yellow taxi right there. Potomac Water taxi.
Right. Y'all go watch those Pinky skits for me.
Yeah, we was just watching them. That was pretty. What'd you say?
I was like, it feels so good outside.
We indoors.
We're indoors. The lighting is
Happy
perfect.
birthday, mother.
Thank you.
Get into the fit. Let me show them the fits. Do a 360 full. Shake that ball. Stiff waist. Stop playing so much.
Hair by Kayla. Hair by Kayla.
Yes. Happy birthday to my queen.
Thank you.
Oh, this is the old song.
I know, they got them everywhere. Come on, elevator. Where's the elevator? Hi. So we're going all on the elevator.
This
This is
gang
the
gang.
squad. This is the gang squad. What change? Oh, there you go. This what we gonna hold their tail. Y'all ain't got to shirt. Yeah.
Starbies.
They soap now.
I know. Yay.
Oh, say hi, E. Hi. Thank you, Jose. Come to Silver Social, y'all. We outside. Say bye to my vlog.
Love y'all always. Y'all know that. We the real.
Love y'all.
I'm definitely going with that.
Say hi.
You can have it.
Hi.
No, for real. It was so many events going on. Oh, we had I cooked everything. So y'all wanna try to go up here? Come on right here. Oh, Miss Ma'am, thank you. Oh, so you just have to open the door. And I say thank you.
Thank you. I was trying to record.
Let me do a boomerang for you.
Is it still open?
Is it? You gotta do like this.
Not right now. Hold on, Mom.
Tacos, fajita, burrito. A burrito. I want to, but I know that's why I'm getting that. I'll probably just get some burrito. Or I might. Did you get this? Kayla?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this cheese. Mom, you try
You got your, where your
Atrocity.